So today's video is going to be a nice, simple and short one because I'm putting the riv nuts in for the bed. I've done them all so far and I've left one so I can show you and talk you through exactly how to do the riv nuts. They're a brilliant piece of kit, makes things a lot easier. So I'll move the camera closer and we'll get into doing it now. So these are the riv nuts we're using, and you need to drill a 13mm hole to accept these. They're M10 riv nuts, so I'm going to get our drill. I'm going to use a step bit to open the hole up to a rough size, and then we're going to go through with a 13mm drill bit so our size is spot on. So right. Now to go through it with 13mm drill bit. Drill bit's getting a bit blunt. So there we go. Got our 13mm hole. Got our riv nut. We do open the riv nut tool on. Thread it on. So far, as you can see, what I like to do is not thread it on all the way, so your arms aren't way out. Otherwise, it makes it hard to put it in. Put it in. Compress it down, screw in a bit more, compress it down, screw in a bit more, compress it down. Just do that until it's nice. There we go, nice and tight. Remove it, we just spin that handle off. And there we go, all our riv nuts are in. So, how a riv nut works, what we've got is we've got the riv nut itself, and it compresses up against that ridge, and you've got these splines in it. So, I'll just show you one on camera and show you how they work. So, as you can see, bubbling out, screw it on a bit more, bit more, and there we go. That's how your riv nuts work. So that's the end of this week's video. Nice and short one this week. We've got all the riv nuts in now for the bed. So that'll take the bed frame nicely. M10 riv nuts, so nice and strong. By the time we've got a timber frame in there as well, it's not going to move, it's going to be sweet. So as always, if you like what we're doing, subscribe, like our videos, ring the little bell for notifications, and comment any questions, comment any support, comment if you think I'm an idiot. It's up to you, don't mind. If you think I'm an idiot, you're welcome to your opinion. So we shall catch you next week, which we will be carrying on with insulation. And we do have a slight leak on the sliding door mid-rail, so we'll be sorting that out. So catch you next week.